Welcome to this Android channel, and we're going to talk a little bit about security on your Android devices. So we did talk about the fact that you could install a software called Malwarebytes, or you might be using some antivirus. It's not an absolute requirement, but it's kind of a good idea. But what else can you do to keep your Android device secure? The biggest and most important thing to keep your device secure is to update the device. So most of our devices that are recent actually update by themselves. So one morning you might see that it updated or something has changed. But if you don't know if you have updated to the latest version of whatever device you have, simply go to the settings menu inside your device. There you will go about device or about phone. And all of the information you get there, one is of course the information about the software installed. When you click there, you will have very often information about the secure level patch, where you are at. And you also can get your updates. So in about device, or you might have a direct software update tab, you will have update manually if you haven't checked for updates lately. Typically, there should be updates pretty much every month, as Google, of course, updates its software. But the problem is depending on the software and the device you have, some devices will actually have updates, more frequently, and will be pretty much up to date with Google's security updates. You might be a couple of months behind. This is one of the biggest problems with Android, actually, is the fact that some manufacturers take more time. They need to test patches before they apply them. So you might be a little behind. For example, on my Galaxy S9 Plus, when I look, it says I'm at the security level patch of June 2018. But we are in August, and Google, actually has released a patch on July and a patch in August to fix security issues. So, we're always a little bit behind when you have devices from other manufacturers. So you got to be a little more secure and make sure that you be careful what you do with your device at all times. Remember, security is you. What you do and where you go on the internet will decide if your device is secure or not. So that's why, I often say, well, like Malwarebytes, install Malwarebytes and have a manual scan once in a while, once a week, or, a couple of times a month, so that you just stay safe. And of course, the general, info of just downloading from the Google Play Store and nowhere else is the best security practice. But make sure that you go into your settings, check the tab for either software update, or if you don't have software update, you can go into the About tab of your phone. Very often you'll have software information and the place where it's going to say, well, check for software updates. Remember that to stay safe, you have to be at Android 5 or later. There aren't any updates to any Android device below version 5. So if you're on an old device, version 4.4, maybe it would be a good idea to just, try and think to maybe upgrade your device to something more recent. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.